My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. Once again, me don come with breaking news. Me don come with updates wey I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, for the last 3 months, maybe December, January, February, e don mark 3 times now wey the Nigerian military don deliver a deadly attack. And this their deadly attack come accidentally kpai innocent civilians. And the number of civilians now don bear RIP on top this matter, they don reach 30. The first one happened for inside the month of December, for inside the year 2024, where one airstrike like that kpai 10 people for inside Sokoto State for attack wey the state governor come last talk say na mistake the thing take happen. Say military they no purposely target civilians. Then for inside the month of January, one military airstrike bin kpai at least 16 members of one local vigilante group and farmers for Tungakara. And this location so good people, na one remote town for the northwestern Zamfara state. After men now don do torchlighting, after they don put mouth for the matter to find out wetin really sup, we come dey find out say the military men they be dey mistake this vigilante group for criminal gangs. Nigerian military think say na jagoda men na these people dem be so, not knowing that they be vigilante group wey dey try to keep the environment safe. Then for inside the month of February, one Nigerian army fighter jet go mistakenly kpai like 6 civilians for one village as they dey pursue armed guards for the northwestern Katsina state. So in construct, based on information wey we gather, we dey find out say over the years now, the Nigerian military don kpai hundreds of civilians for airstrike as they dey target armed groups, as they dey target jagoda people for the region where jagoda business dey mostly dey happen, and that's na the northern area. But normally e no make sense say the Nigerian military, in their bid to keep country people safe, because say they dey fight terrorists and all those jagoda men dem, they dey give civilians unexpected RIP. They go bomb their villages. Those kind of levels normal, is not professional and it's not nice. And the reason wetin make many country people now don dey para on top of the matter na say this no be the first time, no be the second time, no be the third time wey the thing dey happen. Similar airstrikes don kpai hundreds of civilians. And another annoying part of the matter be say these men now wey dey bear the unnecessary RIP, most of them na local vigilantes. They be members of groups and farmers wey dey keep their environment safe. And if you ask the military about the matter, they go tell you the same thing wey they don dey talk before. Na by mistake. They don't target civilians, na armed group na dem target. And for the numbers of times where these men now don't acknowledge the incident, they don't acknowledge, say yes, they don't mess up. After they don't talk sorry finish, they come dey yarn say na wrong analysis na cause am. You know say the Nigerian armed forces, they don't adopt the pattern of air assault. Understand? Most times they don't need to send army, ground soldiers to go do fighting of the crime. They will just do air assault from their plane, or from their drone. They will just drop bomb on top the buildings or any hideout where them believe say na jagoda people na get them. But however, good people, this level, so this campaign, it don dey cost the Nigerian civilians heavy, and it they reduce their support for the military, because instead of the air assaults now to kpai jagoda men, they go kpai civilians, and the jagoda people still they do jagoda business for inside the region. And according to one consulting firm where they go by the name SBM Intelligence, they say between the month of January for inside the year 2017 and the month of September for inside the year 2024, the Nigerian Air Force don launch the total sum of 17 accidental airstrikes. And the airstrike give RIP to over 500 innocent country people. And normally men are not happy about it at all. It can make country people self come dey yarn. Say if na intelligence error na dey cause am. If e be say they no get better intel before they come go dey do the airstrike, make them better dey gather more intel, because giving innocent men RIP is not making sense at all. Make them make sure say they do their torchlighting proper to gather better informate before they begin dey carry out such a deadly strike. Now one country person wey dey go by the name Aniti Ewang, he na Nigeria researcher from the Human Rights Watch. She na don come outside the yarn. Say fine and good, the Nigerian Air Force then get drones, you understand? Then get jets wey fit cause this kind of mayhem, wey fit normally keep the country safe, wey fit normally destroy jagoda people and their jagoda business. But now one thing to get the drones, now another thing to handle the drones. because na the handling na be the koko. And she na come still dey yarn say Nigeria security partners like the US, the UK and France, they need to make sure say their Nigerian allies dey run military force wey go dey more rights friendly and right accountable. No be say they go just dey use brute force, dey use strong head, dey do things and things wey no make sense, wey no nice. Last go come go lead to casualties. And another country person wey dey go by the name Ata Jesse Olota, and this person na security risk management professional. Himself come even dey agree to the matter. He na dey yarn say fine and good, drone now don make am easy for militaries to dey do airstrike and to dey keep our nation safe. But the real koko here na poor intelligence, poor gathering and targeting, limited oversight. So no be to access the drones be the koko, no be to use the drones now dey try to fight crime for inside we nation Nigeria, but the level of oversight wey dey ensure say precision dey and dem keep to the rules of engagement. He say this our green country wey be Nigeria, so no need to dey micromanaged, but the country need to set precedent of accountability as leaders wey dem be for both regional and international organizations. But however, good people, Oga Jesse constantly let the general public dey know say sanctions and diplomatic pressure no dey always work. So international partners need to focus on collaborative training and support and getting lessons from war and kasala. Then when tori people come ask the security risk management professional wey be Oga Ata Jesse Olota, say this military men now, this military personnel wey dey commit this jaguda activity over the years, as they dey go mistakenly now dey give country people RIP, men never observe when they dey punish them until the Tudumbiri airstrike come happen. Then Oga Olota come dey let us dey know say even though e dey rare, punishment dey last dey happen, but e no go dey public so that e no go reduce troop morale. He say investigations dey normally lead to internal review instead of prosecutions dem. So you no get any time wey you go on your TV or you go hear am say Anointed Lady TV give you report say the Nigerian Air Force don dey punish their personnel. No, those kind of levels e dey rarely dey happen, or if it no happen at all. But e no mean say they no dey caution or they no dey punish their people down wey dey mess up. So these good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. No say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit informate on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more latest dey come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get the news. Me dey come back again with more legit updates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.